So in this video we're going to unbox an iPhone 12 Pro Max. Right here, when you check out the name right here, you're going to see a Pacific Blue 256 gigabytes of storage, and this is what we are going to do. So first of all, we're going to take this wrapper off it, and then we check out what we have in this box right here. Right, so we take it off and then we see what we have. Right, so this is our device. It looks perfect. It looks very, very cool right here. You can see it with the 3 cameras, 1, 2, 3, and then we have something attached to the screen in order to prevent scratches, and then all with the charging cable right here, because it's turned like this, so they want to put something in front of the screen so that it makes it very cool. So when you take it up like this is how we're going to see it. And yeah, so let's see what we have right here. We have our manual, and then we have our needle right here. We're going to use it in inserting our SIM, and then we have our charger too right here. Yeah, we have our charger right here, and then pretty much that's all I think we have. So we don't have even a manual in here or what? Okay, so yeah, we don't have a manual in here. We just have some few stuffs right here. That's it. No earpiece, and then no headphone jacks and all. So this is all we had as a sheet right here in the form of a manual or something. That is all we had, and our phone right here. So this is all we had in an unboxing of an iPhone 12 Pro Max in mid 2021. Okay, so it's almost a year since this phone was released, but I think it's worth buying it, and I'm gonna do a walkthrough video after this. Maybe after I've used it for a while, I'm gonna do another video and see how the performance and everything looks like. And if you're new here, just stick around and then watch the other videos. Probably you might like them, and then don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Peace.